How to delete starred messages on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete starred messages on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find chats. Click on it and go down until you find chat history, and here you will find clear all chats. Click on it and then just select this one, delete starred messages, and after you click on it just click this one, clear chats, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.